गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे साइंस का चैप्टर क्लास सेवन्थ का चैप्टर 16 का फॉरेस्ट का। फॉरेस्ट का अगला पढ़ेंगे, फॉरेस्ट चैप्टर को पढ़ेंगे हम 16 चैप्टर को। ए लॉन्ग टाइम अगो मैन लिव्ड इन फॉरेस्ट विच मीट all his needs. Now we live in towns and villages far away from forest. So it is easy enough to imagine that we do not really need forest any more, but that is not true. Forest provide us many things we need. Besides, they play a very important role in maintaining the environmental balance. About one third land surface of the world is covered with forest. In India, about 21% of the country's total area consists of forest land. There are many kinds of forest. The type of forest in a particular area depends on climate and soil type. Forests provide shelter to a large number of plants and animals. Forests are thus an important component of our environment. Tropical rainforest, animal living in forest. Forests are useful natural resources. Forests are very important natural resources and extremely important to man. The main uses of forest are as follows. They improve quality of soil when dead fallen leaves of trees decay and form humus that increase the porosity and fertility of the soil. The leaves of all kinds of plants transpire lots of water absorbed by plants from the soil. The transpired water being light goes up in the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, water vapor gets cooled down and causes condensation of water vapor into water droplets and form cloud. When clouds become heavy, they burst and rainfall occurs. Forest prevent soil erosion. जंगल जो है वह भूमि के कटाव को रोकते हैं. The roots of the sorry. The roots of the trees bind to soil to run away with water or blow away with wind. Plants are main sources of food to all living beings as the plants are producers. They provide us wood, fuel, clothing, shelter, medicine, paper, rubber, vegetable oil and many other useful things. They provide home and protection to the wildlife. Forests regulate Earth's temperature. Plants help to purify water in the soil. Roots allow slow movement of water in the soil. The gradual movement of water help in its purification. They help in regulating the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen too in the atmosphere because plants plants release oxygen and use carbon dioxide too during the day through the process of photosynthesis. They check air pollution and contribute to purification of air. They prevent wind and soil erosion. They save the hill slopes from landslides and reduce the intensity of floods. They are a source of recreation and tourism. Forest products, timber and paper. We get timber from trees such as sal, teak, pine, etc. The timber is used to make houses, furniture, boats, bridges, sports goods, chest or even matchsticks. And paper is made from bamboo, grasses and coniferous trees like fir and spruce. Medicines. Many of the medicines are obtained from plants. Penicillin, Penicillium fungi, quinine, bark of cinchona tree used to cure malaria, morphine, poppy plant used to relieve pain, neem oil, neem tree used for destroying germs and it's good for the skin, amla tree used for hair and skin, tulsi plant used for cough and cold, eucalyptus tree used to make medicines. Food. We obtained various type of products from the plant. Some of them are as follow: cereals, rice, wheat, maize, barley; pulses, moong, gram, bean, arhar; vegetables, onion, potato, spinach, brinjal, radish, carrot, beetroot; fruits, mango, apple, banana, grapes, pineapple, orange; beverages, tea, coffee; sugarcane; spices, turmeric, pepper, chili, clove; oilseeds, groundnut, coconut, mustard. Number 4, rubber, resin, gum, oil. Rubber comes from rubber trees. It is used to make tires, shoes, mattresses, etc. Resins from coniferous trees are used to make paints and varnished. Gum trees, babul, kikar, yield gum, and oil from eucalyptus, sandalwood, and so on are used to make perfumes, incense, and medicines. Fuel. Dried wood is used as a fuel. Clothing. For clothing, we get fibers from cotton and linen. Aesthetic value. Forest give a beautiful and pleasing look. Many people go to forest for a recreation because temperature in forest is lower than normal and the air is pure. Forests are a good place for picnic, hunting, hiking, camping, fishing, photography, etc. Forest conserve water. Forests help in maintaining the groundwater table. The rainwater percolates into the soil and gets collected over the rock bed. This forms the water table. The forest facilitated percolation of water into the soil. The water in rivers and the streams is squeezed through their sides and bottoms adjoining around ground. Stream side forests act as filter. They help to prevent groundwater contamination by intercepting and absorbing excess nutrients as well as other pollutants. These pollutants are broken down by bacteria present in soil into simple forms. ठीक है, अब इस चैप्टर का बुक पार्ट जो है उसका पीडीएफ मैं आपको सेंड कर रही हूँ। अगले सप्ताह हम इसका बाकी का बचा हुआ हिस्सा, बाकी का पार्ट जो है वह हम अगले सप्ताह पढ़ेंगे और उसका नोटबुक बुक पार्ट मैं आपको अगले सप्ताह सेंड करूँगी। अभी आज इसका बुक पार्ट सेंड कर रही हूँ, वो आपको बुक में ही फिल करना है और लर्न करना है। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।